This week I spent at home alone, working, gardening, and even painting walls. While drinking tea, I remembered that I still have some unpublished videos from last spring, and now is the right time to do it. So today I invite you to look at the village where several generations of my family grew up, including me. And we will do it from the bird's eye view. I really love this lake. In my childhood I spent a lot of time here with my friends. The village was founded before 1850 and is located between forests and fields in Kurgan region. It seems to me that I have walked this road 1,000 times. It leads to a house of my great-grandparents. They built this house and lived there until the very end. My grandmother lived in this house for many years, and I came to live here for summer. Unfortunately, there are much fewer people living here than before. That's the reason why many buildings are abandoned. As a child, the village seemed big to me, but now I see how small it is. And you know, it's amazing, but there are still places and streets where I have never been to. But maybe I will walk there someday. Thanks to all of you for watching this video on my channel. I wish you always remember the happy moments of your childhood.